Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited. I just got a Becca PR package. So before we get started, if you don't like those types of videos, you guys do not have to watch and you guys can totally click out of this. But today I am doing a full face of just Becca products. The only thing I don't have from Becca is a mascara because they don't make mascaras, or a setting spray, and I think that's it. I'm not gonna wear lashes. I'm gonna try and do this like super natural, but they just sent me their brand new products, the Ocean Jewels highlighter palette and the eyeshadow palette, which I am so excited about. Oh, and the lip gloss. If you guys watch my Instagram, or if you guys follow me on Instagram or anything like that, I actually used this right away as soon as I got it. But instead of me like doing a full face talk through of all of these products, I figured I would just speed this through, just do my whole makeup, and of course I will have all the products linked down in the description box, as well as I will show you what I'm using. And then once we get to the eyes and everything, I will talk about them. I will have swatches in this video for you guys. So if you guys don't want to see me use all Becca products, I will leave a timestamp right here. But we're gonna go and like do a totally old school type of YouTube video where it's just doing makeup, not really doing a talk through, not doing a voiceover, anything like that. I miss YouTube videos like that. Who's with me? Anyway, you guys, before we get started, obviously Becca did send me these products, so thank you so much, Becca, for these products. And a lot of the products that I do have from Becca, I've either bought on my own or they have sent it to me. I always disclose that to you guys down in my description box or in my video. I'm very honest with you guys when it comes to that, or if anything has been gifted to me or anything like that. So yeah, if you guys want to see my sped through makeup tutorial of me just slapping on some amazing Becca products and then watching the review, swatches, all that good stuff, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, being that now, I think I just like somehow jinxed myself or something like that, but I said we're throwing this back old school. My ring light just turned off. I think it's out. I don't know. It just won't turn on. I had to pull out my one umbrella light. So thankfully, I did the swatches of the eyeshadows and the highlighter and stuff like that, but hopefully you guys don't mind this. I'm just gonna do my makeup, and like I said, we're just gonna kick it old school and we'll see how this turns out. Now that my brows are done, let's go ahead and go in with the shadow palette. Looks like we're gonna be doing something pretty natural, being that I barely have any light, and I want you guys to be able to see this. So I'm gonna go in with the Shadow Avalon. I think these are the right shades. I know I totally messed it up last time with their last eyeshadow palette. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Seashell. See, I was totally saying them wrong. So I'm gonna go in with the Shadow Seashell just for my entire lid. It's basically like my lid color, which is awesome. Not a lot of palettes have like just a plain white or like nude type of eyeshadow, and I actually appreciate the color. So we're just gonna do something super neutral, or we're just gonna do something fast. I am dying to try this brown, which is tourmaline. You guys, this is so freaking creamy. Like, I'm so excited about this. I went into Sephora and oh my god, that's so pigmented. I went to Sephora before I got this to swatch it because I almost bought it, and like, it is such a creamy brown. So I'm just applying this. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm just applying this right on the outer V and then bringing it into the crease. I just want to see how these blend. They swatch beautifully. They feel beautiful. They don't feel hard or chalky or anything like that. The shadows in this palette feels very smooth, creamy, buttery, like they're permanent shadow palettes. It looks a lot darker in person, but my camera's not picking up how dark it is. This is such a beautiful brown though. Like, if you can, I say go into Sephora and go swatch this palette because it is so pretty. So it's actually a lot smokier in person, you guys. I don't know why my camera isn't picking it up. It could be, actually, I know why, because my ring light is out. Anyway, I'm gonna take some more of that brown shade and I'm gonna put it on a flat definer brush, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. This color is so pretty. I bet you I'm gonna use the heck out of this color because it is just so pretty, so creamy, and it blends beautifully. Then I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with a pencil brush. And I think I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use this shade right here. And that shade is Spirit Quartz. It's a metallic deep silver with subtle purple undertones. And it looks like that. Do I want to use this? Yeah, because I'm going to do something else. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, this shade would have been perfect for when I had the masquerade ball. I would have totally used this on my lid. And then I'm just going to help blend out a little bit right on the lid, or right on the crease. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this stunning shade right here. I think I dug my finger in it. No, I didn't. This one right here, which is Mermaid Pearl. It's a twinkling topper, an iridescent holographic shimmer. Look at that. Can you guys see that? So pretty. So I'm just gonna put it right on top, and I'm literally just tapping my finger right on top of my lid. I'm not rubbing because I don't want the bottom shade to come off. Holy crap, I'm so sad that my ring light is like not working because this is so beautiful. It's so unique. I don't think I have anything like this. I'm like in love with this color, or this topper. Holy crap. This is so pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the brown. I'm gonna add a little bit right onto my little angled brush that I have, and just kind of deepen up that crease a little bit. My outer V, and then up in the crease. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that topper. This is so freaking beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay guys, oh my gosh, I am so absolutely in love with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, let's move on to the what is this called? The highlighter palette. this is Ocean Jewels highlighter palette. There we go. So I will have swatches for you guys for both of these at the end of this video. I don't know which one to use. They're all so pretty. I should just mix them all. I think I want to go in with this shade right here though. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. The first one I went in, which is this one right here. This one is Coral Crystal, and then I'm gonna go in with Sandstone. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I love the packaging on both of these. I think they are gorgeous. Becca, you guys are seriously killing it. It is so, so incredible. All right, last but not least is the Liptuitive Glow Gloss. If you guys have been with me for just a few months even, you guys know that I am obsessed with the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. This one's like $30 something. It's expensive, but it's amazing. Well, this is basically just like it, but a lot cheaper. This one's only $25, and it's an oil, or it's not an oil, it's a lip gloss, but it feels like an oil, very moisturizing. I'm in love. So that's my lips. That is so pretty. Let's talk about the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette retails for $35. It's got 7 shadows, and they're all either creamy, metallic, or the twinkling topper. There's 2 twinkling toppers. From the shadows that I applied on my eyes, I think they blended beautifully. The end result is gorgeous. It took me no time at all to create this very quick eyeshadow look. That's what I love about Becca. Everything is so easy and so like just a couple things, and you know, you just put them on and you're good to go. Like, you don't have to like spend time with trying to figure out how to do it, or like what to do, what colors to choose, or like if it's gonna blend out, or if you're gonna take like 20 minutes to blend out one eye. So I love this. I am so excited. I cannot wait to use more of this. Like, I am just so excited. It's so unique for them. I absolutely loved the one that they came out with for the holidays. Love that one. I use the heck out of it. But this one is so much more unique. It's so much more it's just so different and so perfect for spring and summer, and you can really just mix up a ton of different looks and you can create so much. I think it is just so exciting, and I'm just so excited for Becca, the whole Becca team. They have become my family. I love you guys so much over at Becca. So give this a try. At least go into Sephora and swatch it and play with it. You guys can go into Sephora and they have testers that you guys can play with. So yeah, give it a try. I'm so excited for this. It's the same type of palette, like the circle, the roundness, so it's very unique. It looks beautiful on the vanity. I'm just so like truly excited about this. The other product that oh my gosh, when I got this, I'm like, this is like a clutch, and it's so much bigger than I ever would have expected it. It's so pretty, and the shades are stunning. They've never had any shades like this before. These are all brand new, and this retails for $46. The retail value, or the value of this, is $72. I think it should be a lot more. Like, $46 is a really good price, and like, you get a ton of products. And come on guys, for real, like how like, can you really go through an entire highlighter? I know I can't. I barely hit pan on one of my opals and it's tiny. I think that this is so unique. I think the formula is exactly like all of the other Becca highlighters. I think that they went on the skin very beautifully. I think that if you're more of a subtle, like if you want more of a subtle highlight, you can definitely achieve that. What I'm really excited about is having fun with these on my eyes, because I think these will be so perfect for my eyes during the spring and summer. This collection is just so incredible for this time of year. A lot of companies are coming out with a lot of pastels, light colors, bright colors, all of that, and I think this collection is so perfect for Becca, and it suits them. They are very much bringing out the beauty within, the glow within, and this is basically just enhancing your beauty, and I think they just did amazing with this. So I'm very excited, and of course I'm absolutely in love with this gloss. I knew it as soon as I tried it on my Instagram, and you can see like it just enhanced my lips. So, love this. Becca, thank you again so much for these products. You guys, I really really hope you enjoyed this. Again, I'm so sorry about my lighting situation. I really hope you don't mind. Please let me know down in the comments what you guys loved about this collection. If you guys are picking anything up, let me know your thoughts. I would absolutely love to know you guys. And if you guys have any questions on what is on my face, I will leave it down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I think that is it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below if you guys want to be notified or want to see more of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.